In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Hytale launcher. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. Then go ahead and look up Hytale launcher download right over here and go to the official hytale.com website right over here. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and install the Hytale launcher. Now, before you install the Hytale launcher, keep in mind that you will still need to purchase the game itself in order to actually play it. So you can download the launcher from here, but in order to actually use Hytale and play on it, you're going to need to pay for it right over here. So just keep that in mind, and you also need to create a Hytale account if you haven't already. But this is the button that you would press in order to install the Hytale launcher, and then afterwards you should be good to go. I know it might be a little bit confusing, but you need to download the Hytale launcher in order to access the actual game itself. But so once you went ahead and downloaded it, it should look something like this. So we got the Hytale launcher right over here, and then from here you're able to go ahead and adjust your settings and stuff like that. And when you first load in, it's going to ask you to sign in to your Hytale account, so please be prepared to do that. And once you're done with that, you are good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.